Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how to create the fortnightly product scheme and how we can disburse loan to the customer. So just have a look. From the master setup, I will go to the product scheme. So here I have already created one scheme. Just have have a look. So here I will mention the I have mentioned the rate of interest 12% yearly and for 100 days. But here you can see collection interval I have mentioned 14 days. Means every 14 days my collection should have to be done. And here I have mentioned 2% penalty also. So just have a look. From the search bar, we will search one customer. So this customer, let's go to the loan and I will select this product scheme. Here we need to mention the amount. So let's say 20,000 and calculate. So here you can see every installment is 951. So if I want to make it lump sum like 2,950 round up. So from the here amount per installment I can make it 2950 and let's calculate again. You can see I have just round up this amount, and if you want to change the interest also, you can change from here the lump sum interest option. But now I will keep it as it is, and just I want to save this loan on the August 28 and installment start date also August 28. So just click to save. My loan approval process is on, so I need to go to loan approval. So new request is here. Just click on the customer name and we need to check all the details and approve this loan. Now let's go to the approved section and you need to select the mode of payment. So I will select by cash and just disburse this loan. So you can see loan number 10 I have created successfully. Now you can search this loan from the search bar, loan number 10. So here you can see you need to check the installment tracker. So is it created correctly or you need to check. So here you can see this loan is for 100 days and installment is coming every 14 days, like from 28 August after 11 September, then after that 25 September. So this is fortnightly scheme. Every 14 days the collection is tracked. So here in yellow color you can see this is the due amount that we need to receive from the customer. And I have charged the auto penalty also, though auto penalty 23 also charged here. And you can see interest with principal fortnightly loan scheme we have created. So, and how to do the collection also here we can check. If I go to the field collection, loan collection list, here the loan number 10 which we have created now, you can see here the total 8850 because this loan is backdated. So let's receive this full amount and I will go to the loan number 10 again. So here I will go to the installment tracker. Here you can see now it's in green color, means 3 installment we have received successfully. But the penalty, we need to check about penalty because I haven't added the setting. So for the next video, we will check about the penalty. Penalty is not received yet, but this type we can create the product scheme of fortnightly.